Hello my friends, today I'm going to tell you about coins.Ph. It says over here, if I don't know if you can see that, but it says invite a friend and get 50 pesos. Just that easy. And here is my back office. I don't know if you can see that, but it says you can receive money, you can see the history, you can add funds there, you can cash in money at 7-Eleven. We have 7-Eleven in the Philippines. We have Kwarta Padala and all kinds, and then you play games. You can get some cash money, and you pay bills. Like if you pay your electricity, you can get money. You can sell load. So many things you can do. I have to show you a video so you can see what is this all about. You can get 5 pesos cash back on every bill payment. It depends. They have 100 pesos cash back for every 5 bill payments in a week. Okay, so they have so many. Now you can just sign in and check, and in a little bit, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's very clear. Okay, sign in. I'll show you a video about all this that explains better than me. Okay, those kids, students in the Philippines, where they always ask money from their parents to buy load. You can sign up on this, my nieces and nephews already online. Invite your friends, 10 of your friends, and make money. Every time your brothers and friends will buy load instead of buying in the store, or your parents wants to buy load in your system, and you can get money there. You can buy your own load in your system, coins.Ph, or you can sell. It's that easy. I'll show you a little videos that explains better than me. I'll see you in a little bit.
Welcome to Coins! This is Fem, and I'm here to tell you what coins.Ph is all about. Gamit ang coins, madali kang makakabili ng prepaid load for Philippine and international numbers, magbayad ng bills, bumili ng game credits, at magpadala o tumanggap ng pera sa Pilipinas at abroad. Pwede mo rin subukan bumili at magbenta ng bitcoins. Imagine, magagawa mong lahat ng to in just a few taps on your phone. Anywhere and anytime. No worries! Walang minimum amount para makapagsimula. Just tap cash in and select the most convenient payment option for you. Once you have enough funds in your wallet, pwede mo nang magamit ang iba't ibang services namin, even without a bank account. You even get rebates. Makakatanggap ka ng 10% rebate every time you buy prepaid load for Philippine numbers. May 5 peso cashback ka rin sa bawat unique bill na bayaran mo. Kung nakalimang unique bills ka na in 1 week, may additional 100 pesos ka pa. Duly registered with Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, we make sure that Coins is a safe platform for you. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Go ahead and explore our different services and features. We're just a message away if you need help.